Hi, my name's Andrew Miller. I'm an operations supervisor at Six Flags Over Texas, and I've worked here for 5 years. I really like Mr. Freeze Reverse Blast because it shoots you out really quickly and then you're facing straight down towards the ground whenever you do the second launch. It's a linear induction motor that basically brings the train from 0 to 70 in 3.8 seconds, and it launches it out the train. It'll go up and around. And there's also other linear induction motors behind me that you'll see as it shoots the train up and then shoots it back down to the ground and get it back through the rest of the ride. So a linear induction motor is similar to what a magnet, and it grabs the train and it pulls it as they turn on and off to slide the train out the station. This is part of the electrical system that runs Mr. Freeze Reverse Blast. As you can see, it takes a lot of power to run the ride. There are over 50 limb motors to shoot the train out of the station. This is the computer room of Mr. Freeze. This computer controls the speed of the ride as it launches out and monitors everything that's happening out on the ride while you ride.